Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Shakir and today I will talk about composite objects in Java. Composite objects are another way to relate two or more classes where we use data members of a class as objects in another class. So each class are relying on each other. So in composite objects, we can use several objects. Like in this coding here, we have more than two classes. We have 4 classes here, and composite objects are similar to tree structures where we have a some sort of hierarchy. And so one data member or of class like methods can be a data type for another class. For example, in my in this coding here, we have class date of birth, where we have method date of birth, and this method can be used as a data type for class person, where class person also has data type address from class address, and class and method person also is a data type for class person application, which is the main method. So all the methods from other classes will be used in the main method as to show the final output. And as here in the class person application, we have date of birth, address, and person, which are all from other classes. So if we see here, date of birth come from class date of birth from day, month, and year, which also relates to class person. As you can see here, we have date of birth as a data type for dog, and dog uses date of birth, and in the print method we have dot get day, get month, and get year to access the private data from date of birth. And then we have address. Address is from class address. We have a private string and return it as a toString, which also then go to class person with address as a data type. And then in the print method, we have address and with the calling method for the toString to display the address. And then lastly, we have person p. P is the object name person, which includes the date of birth and address from the previous 2 classes. And then calls the person class or method using DA as the birth and address as the parameter, and then calling the print function, print method from the person class. So if we run it, it shows here date of birth and the address. Thank you for watching.